Hello guys, before starting today's video, I would like to say that I got some concerns from the students that they are not able to get all the notifications from the videos which I upload. So I would like to say you when you subscribe to the channel, you also press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications, and also if you have already subscribed, you can press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications. So let us go to the video. In this patient, the stenting was a very difficult procedure, and it was done with definitely difficulty, and it was a challenging case. That is why I thought to share the video with you. So these are the stones, and as we enter, we can see the stones which are multiple in number in the urinary bladder. The ureter was also studded with the stone. Also, the patient had multiple kidney stones, and the patient was not fit for anesthesia, so we tried double J stenting with local anesthesia only, and it was very difficult to even move the guide wire of the DJ stent. So what we did, I just removed the stone from the pathway so that the movement of the guide wire becomes easy, and with difficulty we tried to go in the opening. So we have now gone in the opening, and we are passing the guide wire till the kidney, and which was confirmed with the help of fluoroscope. So after the guide wire was fully inserted, the double J stand, which was open from both the ends, was passed through the guide wire into the ureter just to relieve the obstruction, and the stent was inserted till the fourth mark. This is the fourth mark, and this is the opening, lower opening for the drainage of urine, and this is the lower end, which is obviously not seen right now, but we will push the lower end with the help of pusher. You will see which is red in color. Yeah, you can see it now. So yeah, yes, this is now the stent has been pushed, and it will coil so that the position is maintained. So the obstruction is relieved from this side of the kidney, and you can see the extensive tuberculations, and this is the stent which was placed in the opposite ureter in the same way with the great difficulty. So this is the final picture, and I would like to say that this was a great exercise, and you should have seen this video. That is why I uploaded. So thank you so much. We will meet in the next lecture.